is really exciting. It's so cool to do this here on Carter Road, in the middle of my city, Mumbai. I'm so happy all of you have turned up. We didn't really know if we've told enough people, and we just thought we'll do something really different and exciting. So thank you each and every one of you who's turned up today. Thank you. All you guys in the back there, everybody on this side, everybody's watching from those windows. Hello, what's up? Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And I'd like to thank the media for being here. Thank you so much, guys, for turning up and waiting. We were trying to find the right angle for the sun. I was on hold, and when the sun was in the right angle, I was told to start. So thank you so much for waiting for that long. We're doing this. Okay, a little bit about Skult, which is something that we've been trying to tease you with for a few days now. Skult is something that's very close to my heart. And the reason why we're doing it in the middle of the street is because it is about freedom. It's about freedom of expression. It's about movement. It's about street style. It's the first athleisure line of clothing in India. And we're very proud to launch it today. It's an online brand, and I'm very proud to have amazing partners. I'm very proud to have very amazing partners with me on this, the Aditya Birla Group. A big round of applause for the Aditya Birla Group people. I don't think this would have been possible if they weren't here. A lot of them are right here in front of me from the ABOF team, which is the website on which you can go and check out Skult. abof.com/Skult. It's very weird for me because about 10 years back, I think I was a fashion victim. I had absolutely no idea about what was cool, what to wear, where to buy it. Actually, when I was 18, I don't even think there was Google. Forget about Instagram and other things where you can discover, what's cool around the world. So I used to wear really bright yellow t-shirts and like these tight jeans and boots and think that's cool. And so it's been a long journey. In the last 2 or 3 years, I felt like I understood a little bit about style and I wanted to express myself with a fashion line, and I've been working on this for over a year. So thank you everybody for coming here. Go check it out. What we have behind you is called a pop-up store. It has all the stuff that we've worked very hard on for the last 1 year. You guys are free to go and check it out and see how it is because it's an online brand. And I know sometimes you buy something online, it doesn't feel as good as it looked. And we don't want you guys to feel that. So we put the clothes out there. Let the clothes do the talking. If you like the material, if you like the style, go buy it. And I'd like to invite the team of ABOF to come on stage and join me. Hello. Hi, how are you? Are you a part of Team ABOF?
I love you.
This is a special moment. I waited for 1 year for Team ABOF to say I love you, and finally it happened.
Sound check.
What's your name?
My name is Muskan.
Her name is Muskan, but she's crying. Muskan, you need to smile for us a little bit. A big round of applause for Muskan, ladies and gentlemen, who has a lovely Muskan, which hopefully we will see before the end of this evening. Yeah, we need to get them on stage. You are the guys who made these clothes. You need to come on stage, man. Big round of applause for the entire team, please. Am I missing anybody? Come on, let's go. Let's go. These are the guys who made the clothes. These are the guys who matter. These are the guys who actually matter. Big. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you all of you for coming. This is really important. And may we say the gates are open for the pop-up store Skult. Go check out the clothes. I hope you like it and I love you all. Thank you.